Hi, this is Arthur from the Minute Review Show. Today I bought a buy one get one free $10 mystery charm box from my local Crocs retail store. I will unbox these boxes and show you how to put these on your Crocs. Hi, this is Arthur from the Minute Review Show, and today I'm going to do something a little different. Today I went out to Tanger Outlet Mall out in Riverhead, New York. I went to one of my favorite stores, my all-time favorite products, and that favorite product is Crocs. Crocs had a very interesting item in their store. It's called the Mystery Charm Box, 10 Charms Mystery Box. And for the price of $10, you can get not only one, but it's buy one, get one free. You get two. So you get 20 charms. I took a look at their website, and also I asked the worker at the Crocs store, and the worker said that the price of these charms that you clip onto your Crocs is anywhere between $5 and $8. $8 are the ones that have some metallic element to it, and then the cheaper ones are about $5. But could you imagine buying 3 of these would set you back 15 bucks? So why not get 20 and set myself back $10? So that's exactly what I did. I bought these 2 boxes, and today I'm going to open them up and let you see if it's worth getting. So you can say this is an unboxing and a review of what you call Crocs Jibbitz, Jibbitz. Okay, now this is the moment you've been waiting for. This particular box is called the Mystery Charm Box. The other items that I've seen in other openings say Mystery Box, Crocs Mystery Box. So, you know, they're known under different names. Over here you can see 10 charms for $10, no returns and no exchanges, which totally makes sense. I mean, why give someone the right to exchange something if they just don't like it? You know, this is really a gamble, and when you buy these boxes, it's really a gamble. So let's open one of these up and see what I get. So here goes. And immediately we're told that there are 10 in here. So let's go through these. Okay, the first one that I see is a sparkly charm. This one has a couple of dots, and it's actually pretty big, so it'll take up a lot of room on your Crocs. And over here we have a can't really tell what this is. This looks like some kind of cartoon character. But over here, once again, you have that little part where you slip under the holes in your Crocs, and it'll attach itself to the side. Next, we have a gingerbread man, which is number 3. Number 4, we have a bat. Okay, there's some kind of bat figure. And then over here, we have, oh, very nice, a turkey. This is very festive. You can put those on during Thanksgiving. And then we have a Mickey Mouse figure. Okay, next we have the letter B. This is totally random. Hopefully your child who gets this is named with the letter B. Okay, and then the next one we have a random T. And then the next one we have is the letter L. Oh my, a lot of letters. Not sure if that's that great. And then next we have a letter to Santa. Okay, so it looks like this particular box is all spent. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, exactly as they said. And mind you that I was told that each of these are worth $5. That's retail if you're in the store. And I was out in Riverhead in New York, and that's the price that they quoted me. So let's open up the next box. And here we go. We have 10 items in the second box. The large one says, "Do not pet a porcupine." So it seems like these have one large charm in every box, or one large Jibbitz. Okay, the next one that we have is a panda wearing some sort of hat. Next we have what appears to be the letter H with some hearts on it. Don't exactly know what that means. And then we have the letter M. Next we have a dreidel. Okay, and put that on your Crocs. Now we have the letter G. And then we have Santa wearing sunglasses. And then we have another large one. This one is a purple lizard or chameleon, whatever you want it to be. And then we have another Santa male. So we have 2 of those. And finally we have the letter P. Okay. Judging from what we have 20 items here. Okay. Now these 20 items, I don't know, they're super random. They don't follow any rhyme or reason. So we have 6 letters out of 20. So about a third of these are just random letters. I guess you can call those the throwaway items. And then you have all these other items here that have some value. A couple of them are seasonal, like this dreidel and this letter to Santa and this turkey and gingerbread. But all this other stuff is super random. So there you have it. Those were the 20 items that I got for $10. Do I think it's worth it? If you actually believe that the retail price for one of these is $5, yes, it's worth it. If you don't believe that it's worth $5, I would advise that I would advise that you still get it, because hey, you're getting more than what you can get for any one specific one that you buy. So you're getting a lot more for your money in that sense with a couple of throwaway items. Okay, so next I'm going to show you how to put these onto your Crocs. For those of you who don't know what Jibbitz are, I didn't know until today. So this is the first time that I'm going to try to install a Jibbitz into a Crocs. So this is how you do it. I think you take this little round peg on the back of the Jibbitz, and you just push it into one of these holes in your Crocs. So push it down. Looks like it's in. You would also have to take off these little plastic things on the back. So I'll put in my turkey. So I'll put the turkey in the front of my Crocs. Push it in. It's hard to push in. Okay, let's get that nice push, and boom, there it is. So that's how you install them, and depending on how large they are, that will limit you to the amount of Jibbitz that you can put onto your Crocs. This one's a huge one. I'm thinking that this one would look better if you just leave it alone and just have this one on one Croc. Thanks again for watching the Minute Review Show. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and also a subscribe. I make a lot of videos on this channel, and mainly they're restaurant review videos, but check those out if you feel like it. But if you don't, that's fine also. But thanks again for watching.